we're moving on to our next and final case study from Poland. So I'm very pleased to introduce Mr. Pawluk from VEOLIA Poland, and he will be presenting the last case study.
Oh, hello, thank you very much. Hello, everyone. We've been discussing a lot about
You've muted yourself. Fortunately, there you are.
But can you see my presentation?
We can see your presentation and we can hear you loud and clear.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's good. So starting once again, so we're talking about the waste heat from industry, but we can see also potential in sewage. So we have already some experience in waste heat from industry. We went to a nice project with Volkswagen in Poznań, and we started to see the different sources of waste heat, and we found one in sewage company. And 3 years ago, we launched a project in Szlachęcin, a very small town close to Poznań. You can see there has been a coal heating plant, 100% coal-fired, which is producing heat for the industrial factory and for the citizens of Murowana Goślina, a small city near to Poznań. And we decided to construct in the sewage treatment plant a sewage heat recovery combined with gas cogeneration. And that helped us to replace almost 1/3 of the coal burned in this installation. And it was the main goal, to replace coal, so to make the real decarbonization project. You can see some here, the work parameters of the installations. What's required, the minimum temperature of the sewage is 8 degrees. Maximum concerning that also the legal provisions is 22. And the heat pumps, we have 2-step heat pumps that are heating up the waste heat from the sewage or treated water, as you wish, up to 65 degrees, and they are mixed up with the heat produced from cogeneration. And the output heat with the temperature of 85 degrees is provided to the district heating network. The innovation here is to combine the technologies that have been already known, but combine them into one coherent system, centrally controlled. And what we have achieved is to produce only the green heat for the needs of hot water, domestic hot water during the summer, and to have a significant part of heat production during the winter time to heat up both the industrial plants and also the housing communities. And we made it especially in this small installation to see how it works, whether it works, and what will be the lesson for us to learn. And now we are ready to implement similar solutions in the bigger systems like Poznań or Warsaw. What we know after this 2 years or 2.5 years of working with this installation, there are some critical parameters. This is the flow of the sewage, which is really important, that we have enough sewage to get the heat from it. Also very important is the temperature of the sewage. We had some problems at the beginning with the temperature in the winter time, when the temperature is lower than 8 degrees, then the heat pump is not efficient enough to get the heat and to heat it up. Of course, there's also very important sewage quality. That's why we installed and self-clean filters that help us to get the cleanest treated wastewater as possible. And of course, that's always a problem for district heating systems. There's a big difference between the heat and winter consumption. So you have to have it into account that the heat consumption in summer will take only a part of the production of the capability of the production of the installation. Anyway, we are on the good path. We have not achieved the parameters we expected during the project phase, designing phase, but anyway, there are still figures that are for us seen as good. We have reduced CO2 emissions, and we have achieved green gigajoules produced from heating pumps. And what's most important, we are able to reduce our coal consumption and reduce our carbon footprint. And that's really what's the most important in this project. So to sum up, this facility combines a gas cogeneration unit and heat pumps, which are recovering heat from wastewater. It allows us to maximize the heat production with the lowest possible consumption of natural gas, which could be in the future replaced by biogas, of course, and we do believe that this is the way. It's not only a combination of technologies. What is most important, it's cooperation of industries. We had a significant cooperation of the wastewater company, and we got the possibility to install the heat pumps on their lands. And of course, it provides ecological benefits, reduction of CO2 of 2,000 tons per year per annum, and of course, reduction in coal consumption. And I think that's all. If you had any questions, I would be pleased to answer.